Hey gearheads, welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2026 Ford F150 XLT 4x4, a powerhouse pickup that perfectly balances capability, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. This truck is built for drivers who demand reliability, versatility, and a modern driving experience. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 F150 XLT 4x4 features a rugged yet refined design. Its bold front grille, aerodynamic lines, and durable body panels create a commanding presence on the road. The truck sits higher than previous models, giving it a more aggressive stance while improving off-road capability. The LED headlamps and fog lights not only add style but enhance visibility in all conditions, making it a practical choice for work and play. Under the hood, the F150 XLT 4x4 offers a turbocharged V6 engine designed for both power and efficiency. With improved towing capacity and torque, it can handle heavy payloads with ease. The 4x4 drivetrain ensures that no terrain is too challenging, whether you're navigating rocky trails, muddy paths, or snowy roads. The responsive suspension keeps the ride smooth even when fully loaded, while advanced braking systems provide confidence in every stop. Inside, the 2026 F150 XLT 4x4 combines functionality with comfort. The cabin is spacious, featuring durable materials and ergonomic seating that supports long drives. The driver-focused layout ensures that controls are easy to reach, while the modern infotainment system keeps you connected at all times. Touchscreen navigation, smartphone integration, and voice command features make driving intuitive and enjoyable. Passengers benefit from ample legroom and storage compartments, making the truck ideal for both daily commutes and extended trips. Safety is a priority in the F150 XLT 4x4. It comes equipped with a suite of driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features work seamlessly to reduce the risk of accidents and enhance overall confidence behind the wheel. The truck also delivers impressive versatility. The bed features a tailgate with multiple configurations, making loading and unloading easier than ever. Additionally, various optional packages allow you to customize your F150 to suit your specific needs, whether it's off-road adventures, heavy-duty towing, or everyday utility. Fuel efficiency has also been improved compared to previous models, making this powerful pickup more economical for daily use. Advanced engine technology, smart transmission, and aerodynamic enhancements all contribute to better mileage without compromising performance. In terms of technology, the 2026 F150 XLT 4x4 doesn't disappoint. From wireless charging and multiple USB ports to an upgraded sound system and heads-up display, this truck offers a modern driving experience for both work and leisure. The integration of smart features ensures that you remain connected, informed, and entertained wherever the road takes you. Overall, the 2026 Ford F150 XLT 4x4 is a remarkable pickup that combines classic Ford toughness with modern innovation. Its impressive performance, comfortable interior, advanced safety features, and versatile design make it a top choice for truck enthusiasts. Whether you need it for heavy-duty work, off-road exploration, or everyday driving, the F150 XLT 4x4 is ready to deliver. If you're looking for a truck that offers power, style, and technology in one complete package, the 2026 Ford F150 XLT 4x4 should be at the top of your list. Make sure to subscribe to Car Trend for more reviews, updates, and insights on the latest vehicles hitting the market. Stay tuned, because there's always more automotive excellence coming your way.